In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from CSV to Freshsales. Importing data into Freshsales is a great way to add contacts, accounts, deals, and even other record types in bulk without entering everything manually. Before you begin, make sure your file is saved in CSV format, that the first row contains your column headers, that each row contains just one record, and that you've cleaned up any duplicates. It's also a good idea to remove extra spaces and blank rows so the import goes as smoothly as possible. Once your CSV file is ready, log into your Freshsales account. From your dashboard, go to Settings, then open Data and Import. This is where you'll manage bulk imports for different modules. To start with Contacts, click Contacts Import. Choose CSV or Excel, then click Next. On the next screen, select Contact and click Next again. Now click Upload File and select the CSV file you want to import. After the file uploads, click Next. At this point, Freshsales will ask you to map your columns. Column mapping simply means matching the headers in your CSV file, like first name, email, phone number, or company, to the correct fields inside Freshsales. This step is important because it tells the system exactly where each piece of information should go. Review the mapping carefully, make any corrections if needed, and then click Import Now. Once your contact import is done, go back and click Accounts Import. Upload or drop your CSV file into the import window. You'll also see an option to skip duplicates automatically by matching Freshsales ID. This helps prevent duplicate records from being created when Freshsales recognizes that an item already exists based on its unique ID. After selecting that option if needed, click Next, review and map your columns, and then click Import. Next, move to Deals Import. Upload or drag and drop your CSV file. Just like before, you can choose to skip duplicates automatically by matching Freshsales ID. This is especially useful when you're updating existing deal data and want to avoid creating repeated entries. Click Next, map your columns carefully, and then click Import to complete the process. You can also use the same general workflow for custom modules, products, or users. As a best practice, always keep a backup of your original CSV file, and if you're working with a large dataset, test with a small sample first. Also, make sure your phone numbers and dates use a consistent format, required fields are filled in, and unique identifiers are used when updating existing records. Following these steps will help you complete a clean and accurate import into Freshsales with fewer errors. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.